Welcome to Autosled. Here's how it works. Autosled is a free-to-use, self-dispatching load board platform for vehicle transporters. To get started, submit an account registration request online or give us a call. You can access our marketplace by downloading the app or using the online dashboard. To find a load, you can browse what's available on the map screen or use the search bar and filter options to find specific load types, locations, destinations, and more. All of the load information you need is located in the app. Gate passes will become available after accepting a load. If this icon is red, click it. There's important information there. When you find a load that works for you, hit Proceed, fill in your pickup and drop-off ETA, accept the terms and conditions, and hit Confirm ETA and Accept Load. Now it's a sign it can be found in My Loads. It's that simple. Our BOL system for pickup and drop-off is built right into the app. The VIN scanner, photo capture, and damage indicator are easy to use. Once your BOL is submitted, it immediately begins processing. Once a delivery BOL is uploaded through our app, it takes 2 business days to process. We then send an ACH payment directly to your bank account. Make sure your bank information is up to date in your profile settings. Autosled offers live, multilingual support. Please contact us as soon as possible if any issues arise. And yeah, it's that simple. Download the Autosled app and start grabbing loads today.